Okay, let's get right back into it. So we had 42w plus 7x plus a negative 14, and we're just going to rewrite that so we have a minus 14. It's the exact same thing as this. This is perfectly fine. This is a correct answer. This is also a correct answer. Circle. Let's take on the next one. So we have here negative 8 times, in parentheses, 4u plus x minus 5. Again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to plus and negative. And you guys will see here, there's no like terms here. There's nothing we can add here because none of these are like terms. So we're going to take that negative 8 and we're going to go to each. Can you guys show me these arrows? Because we can multiply that. And I'm going to show you it's negative 8 times 4u plus a negative 8 times x plus a negative 8 times a negative 5. And we can just simplify that. Negative 8 times 4u is just negative 32u plus negative 8 times x is just going to be a negative 8x. And negative times a negative here, negative 8 times a negative 5 is going to be a positive 40. Again, this is fine. This is a perfectly fine answer, but we're going to write that as negative 32u minus 8x plus 40. Same thing. Only difference is instead of doing a plus and negative, we just put a minus there. We're going to take on two more. So we have here 1/2, 10 times, or 10 plus 4x. Those are not like terms. We're going to take the 1/2 and we're going to go to both. So it'll be 1/2 times 10 plus 1/2 times 4x. Again, feel free to pause. I just only have 5 minutes on this, so I have to go a little bit faster. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 4 is 2. And this is going to be your final answer, 5 plus 2x. Pretty simple. Same thing with fractions here. Let's take on example 17. Probably the toughest one of the day is going to be 17. And again, I'm going to change this every single time to plus a negative. And I'm going to take that negative, or that 15, and let's go to both. So watch how I write this. I'm going to write this as 15 over 1 times 1 over 5. That's the same thing, right? That's the same thing as 15 times 1/5. Just going to make it a little bit easier when we cross cancel. And we can multiply this by negative 2 over 3. All right, so here we can simplify this. We can multiply 15 times that 1/5. And just watch right here. I can divide that by 3. And really, 1/5 of 15, 1/5 of 15 is just 3b. And 3 goes in that 15 5 times. We can cross cancel that. And 5 times a negative 2 is negative 10. Again, we're going to rewrite that as 3b minus 10. And that's it. That's in simplest form. Again, if this is a little confusing, I am going a little bit faster than we normally do in class just because I only have 5 minutes on these videos. But feel free to pause this as you go. Make sure you have these notes in. And then today or tomorrow, you can try out that homework on Alex. So best of luck. And if you need anything, you can contact me on Schoology. Thanks.